Ka Sorkar Jylla kalarai bantau ya ka FCRA Cell hapoh ka Tnad kam Pohiing kenang banyarap iki kynhun bet kiseng ha ka Jylla ha ka bayade bet ka jing apply bet penthamai ki jing bet bayade bet ka Foreign Contribution Regulation Act FCRA ong umintri rangba ka Jylla ukon rat ke sangma ha ka khatlai trik nailar. Ya ka nika Cell on sa thau haringkat ka jinga slok bet ka Sorkar pedeng bat on pentre kam na shlong bat kiwei pat kithan kin thup na tura bat juwai lada don kam knang baki kynhun kin omdan kam bandet shadu shadalhi ong umintri rangba habakren shakilat thai kubor ka Sorkar Jylla kalarai bangin thau ka FCRA Cell hapoh ka Tnad kam Pohiing ka Jylla lingba ka jinga slok bat ka Sorkar India ong ukonran Ula ong baka jing thmu jo ka Cell kalong banya trailang bat ka Sorkar pedeng na kabenta ban penbeng ya ki jing ki ba ki kynhun bat ki seng ki yakendu ha ka por ba pen thamai ki jing bit ni ha ba ki apply thamai ka jing thmu jo ka Cell kalong banya rap banya trailang bat ka Sorkar pedeng ban khmi kilat kilinti ki babyang na kabenta ban wengi ki jing ba pher ki ba ki kynhun bat ki seng ba pher ki jongi ki yakendu ha kabaya day bat ka jing ban thamai ni apply ya ka FCRA kabala ban pen bet hang ni ha shlong tani tura ni ha juwai klem da dan kam ban let shadu shadalhi ula ong ukon rat ula benram ba ula dep nya kren ya ka kam bat u secretary ka Ministry of Home Affairs ha ka ba ki officer ka Sorkar pedeng ru kin beteng ya ka jing jing kershan nakapor shakapor Ngidang kami ya rukam terekam hakabaki officer ka Sorkar India ru kini adon ringkat bat ajing kersha nakapor shakapor kenang ban penthi kena bagi no kini jing ne jing tenjo ki bami kinlong ki bala ban kami bat penbet ulaong Umintri rangba ula kinturu iki seng san perthai bakin om pen kala kam politik halor kini kam da ka banjur ba ka badan kam hakmat ka de ban long ka jing pen biang tarajur ya ki jing te kendon bat ka jing dan kam jeng ki kynhun tre kam ki batrei na ka benta ban shakri ki baduk bajenjar kani kam de ka por ban le politics henry ka de ka por ban tre lang ban penthi kena bangin la ban shami kilat kilinti bat ki rukam tre kam ban penyat iki kendon kata klem da ban bor ne kata iki kinhun bat ki seng jongi ki badan hang ni ban yaram na ka benta ki beriu ki baduk hapoh ka Jylla ka jongi ban rap ukon ran
I would like to inform you that the Meghalaya government has decided that we will be forming an FCRA cell within the Home Department in the government of Meghalaya itself. This, of course, will be done in consultation with Government of India. And the purpose of this cell will be to help in coordination with central government to see effective way in which the different problems being faced by our different organizations when it comes to renewals and applications can be addressed right here in Shillong itself without having, or in Tura or in Jowai, without having to travel to distant places like Delhi. And obviously in this coordination, we are seeking the support of Government of India, and just I can tell you without giving too much of details that this matter also was discussed with the Home Secretary, and we are working on a mechanism where Government of India officials also will be there to support time to time in order to ensure that any kind of problems and challenges that are there will be looked into. But the government of Meghalaya will take the initiative, as I said, to form that cell, an FCRA cell within the Home Department, in the state government, in different locations if necessary, which will help and support different organizations in their process of applying or renewing their FCRA license. So that's something that we're going to do. And so therefore these things are going on. And as I said, it'll be nice that all political parties should see beyond politics in this and really see how we can contribute towards ensuring that a positive outcome comes in. It's not about taking credit. It's not about saying I did it and you didn't do and blaming each other or anybody else. I think there is a lot at stake. So I think this is not the time to play politics, but it is a time to work together to ensure that we are able to find a solution where certain concerns of Government of India are there when it comes to monitoring and regulating foreign currency, which is a natural procedure that happens throughout the world. But while the procedure to monitor and regulate foreign currency happens, our people should not suffer in terms of them being, facing difficulty and challenges or their assets being seized. So to strike the balance between these two needs is really the need of the hour, and that's what we're working towards. To find a mechanism for regulation, yet not harassing or affecting or damaging our institutions and our organizations which are here helping and working for the poor people of our state.